We just smoothed the hole in the slide that the bumper with the mouthpiece screw goes through on both sides, and now I'm going to clean it. And you might be wondering, why is he taking so much time to show us how to clean a slide? Well, because there's a right way and a wrong way to do it. And you want to make sure you're doing it right. If you leave any residue of any, first I clean my fingers off. If you leave any residue of a grinding product on the harmonica, it's going to taste terrible. Look how dirty that is, see? Let's come in, just look at that, how dirty and gray it is. Why? Because it's filthy. It doesn't look, it is filthy. It very much is filthy. That's why it looks dirty, because it is dirty. We'll come here, now go around for a second round. Come here, supporting that. Get in on all sides of this little sucker here. And now it's coming up pretty clean. Come over here, clean off the toothbrush. Come into here. Now, what's next? You know what's next. Power wash. Much longer than you might think I'd need. Why? No residue. It's got to be absolutely, but you can tell when a piece of metal is totally clean. It's grabby to your hands. And I come in here and power right on there. Okay, this goes like this. And that goes like that. And you don't have to blow these dry. And so, looking good, looking very good. We're fine. And this comes here and here and here. We have completed that operation.